Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today your girl is doing a quick styling video on this hair that you see right here. This is actually part 2 of a video. I did part 1 before, probably like a couple of days ago, where I unboxed and installed this unit right here. And so this unit comes from ISHOW Hair. They were kind enough to send your girl this unit right here, which is a Malaysian 360 lace front straight pre-plucked virgin human hair unit, and it's in 26 inches, and it is currently $185.92. So if you want all the in-depth details about this unit, then definitely check out the first video. I'll have it linked down in the description box. But in this video, I just wanted to do a quick styling so that I could be holiday party ready. I got my green on with a nice little dress that I'm just ready for a holiday party. If I was to go to a holiday party, your girl is just, I'm faking for the camera because I'm not doing any holiday parties this year, but I am gonna go to church in this dress. Like, why let a good dress go to waste? Okay, so if you guys want to see this dress in all of its gloriousness, then definitely check out my Instagram for the full look altogether. So like I told you guys, this unit was a straight unit. In the first video I showed you guys the hair after I had washed it or bleached the knots, so the natural pattern of it, as well as me straightening it and the hair in a middle part. And so that's how this video will start. It will start how the hair looks in the other video, and then I transform it into a right side part with a little bit of curls and a little bit of body. Okay, if I didn't tell you guys, this unit is 150%. Is it 150% density? I believe it's 150% density. Yes, 150% density. And so I absolutely love this unit. This is me just putting the curls in right now. I didn't really put any holding spray, so more than likely the curls are going to fall, which is fine. I'll just go back to the straight look. But I did want to show you guys that you can curl this unit, and this unit is so multifaceted. The fact that I could put the hair up in a ponytail, put a right side part, middle side part, left side part, like whatever I wanted to do with this unit, I could do that. And so yes, I'm definitely feeling this unit. Hopefully you guys are feeling it. Make sure to stay tuned to how I styled it up just right quick. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next / last video of the year that's going to take place on New Year's Eve. All right guys.